Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut to restart your Windows 10 PC. For this, first right click on the free space on the desktop, then select here new and shortcut option. In the box, type shutdown a space /r a space /t a space 0. This is the timer. 0 is the timer. You can change it to increase the restart time after double clicking on this one shortcut. In case you will put here 10 and you double click on this one shortcut icon that you will create, your PC will restart after 10 seconds after double clicking on this icon. I will also provide this one command in this video description so you can copy or refer if you need it. After typing here this one command, click on this one next button, name it restart, then click on this one finish button. Now if you want to change its icon, right click on this one shortcut, select here properties option, then under shortcut tab click on this one change icon button. Then here you can select any icon to apply for restart shortcut. In case you have already downloaded from the net and you want to use that icon, you can use this one browse option and you can navigate through, select icon and then click on this one OK button. After selecting any icon, your preferred icon, suppose I want to use this one icon, just click on it, click on this one OK button, click on this one apply button, click on this one OK button. Now shortcut icon will be changed. To make it more accessible, you can pin it to taskbar. For that, right click on the taskbar. In case this one option is checked, lock the taskbar, just uncheck it and then drag this one icon to the taskbar. When you see pin to taskbar, leave the cursor, it will sit on the taskbar. In case you want to create a keyboard shortcut to restart your PC, again right click on this one shortcut icon, select here properties option. In the shortcut tab, keep your cursor under shortcut key box and now you can type any letter or number from your keyboard. For instance, I have pressed R. Windows will automatically add Ctrl plus Alt to this one shortcut. So now my shortcut to restart my PC will be Ctrl Alt R. Then click on this one apply button. Click on this one OK button. Now if I want to restart my PC, I will just click on this one or use the keyboard shortcut that I have created. That's all about this video.